year of 2012 was very successful for Diamond Handle Shock Destroy. The construction of potassium and magnesium mine was carried out during the day and night, applying constant process optimization, seeking opportunities to work simultaneously, not just to meet schedule, but to get a few steps ahead of the approved schedule. Working in a complex hydrogeological environment and facing some difficulties related to ambiguous weather in the Urals, Diamond Handle Shock Destroy started the year of 2013 with a great wealth of knowledge on how to avoid delays caused by melting snow.
В этом году мы подошли, скажем так, технологически, мы подготовили.
This year we have applied technological solutions. We carried out a series of measures against floods. In anticipation of snow melts, some part of the snow was removed from local areas. In other areas we dug drainage channels, and thus 80 to 90% of the melting snow was removed without problems for the construction process.
Воды, оттащивая снега, мы это площадки удалили без проблем для строительства.
During the first quarter of 2013, the construction site has seen significant changes. We finished drilling freeze holes at the first shaft and began construction of the pit aimed at headgear foundation and freeze cellar of the future first shaft. The drilling company finished its work and already completes its demobilization.
У нас активно происходит.
We are actively building and installing a refrigerating plant, compressor station. We started construction of a temporary workshop with intermediate tubing warehouse. We also started drilling of wells at the second shaft.
Сейчас происходит монтаж оборудования на компрессорной станции. Это компрессорные установки.
At the moment, we are installing equipment at the compressor station. These are compressor units, dehumidifiers. In the future, we plan to install lines of compressed air. Compressed air is required for operation of pneumatic equipment and during sinking work in the shafts.
Пневматического оборудования при проходческих работах в стволах.
Pipelines will pass from refrigerating plant and compressor station to both shafts. These will be air supply lines and frost lines intended for well freezing.
С помощью замораживающих колонн будет осуществлена заморозка.
Freezing columns will be used for further freezing of rock for blasting operations. Freezing is required in order to avoid ingress of water into the shaft itself, as well as to prevent ingress of groundwater into the shaft.
Сам ствол, попадание грунтовых вод в ствол.
According to the construction schedule, the delivery of lifting equipment is planned for June. In the near future, the company will begin concrete work at the first shaft.
Будут построены фундаменты копра, начнется возведение копра первого ствола.
We will build headgear foundations, begin construction of the headgear of the first shaft, and in July we will begin sinking of the fourth shaft. And after that, probably in August, we will freeze the rocks. And when we finish freeze holes drilling in the second shaft in the summer, we will get there and a whole range of work will be carried out there.
Мы после первого ствола перейдем на второй ствол, и весь тот же комплекс работ там будет повторен.
In spring, Diamond Handle Shock Destroy has also participated in a large exhibition. From the 14th to the 16th of May 2013, the company's employees went to Moscow, the exhibition center Crocus Expo, which held the 17th International Exhibition and Conference for Mining and Processing of Metals and Minerals. The company presented their projects and came back from the exhibition with new partnership proposals and business contacts in the field of mining. The naked eye can see how the construction site has transformed. We built new administrative offices. Today, the company's employees work in a comfortable staff amenities building. Both shafts have quite a different look now. Everything demonstrates large scale of production.